So I wanted to show you guys the easiest way that I found to harvest chamomile. So so I have a colander here, and we're gonna go right underneath a batch of them. I'm gonna put them into in between my fingers, and I'm just gonna slide my fingers. Okay, so you just grab a whole bunch and then pull your hand towards you, and that's how I harvest my chamomile. I don't know if this is how anybody else does it, but it takes a lot less time than cutting each individual flower. Sometimes I might get some that aren't all the way ready, but it's okay. And these go directly into my freeze dryer with mint and lavender sometimes. I think we'll be adding some lemon balm, some raspberry leaves at some point. Yeah, look at that. There's a big bunch. So you just lightly do that. And it's okay if some of the stem is still on it. I don't really worry about that. And that's how I harvest my chamomile. This is my third or fourth harvest, and it seems like every 3 days is what I'm doing. Anyway, I have this whole row, and then I gotta go on the other side and do the other. So anyway, I just wanted to quickly share that with you. It makes it super easy to get it done in a short amount of time, because if I had to do this one by one, we'd be here all day, and I got lots to do. I harvested all of the basil today, and went inside and got the pesto base going. It's in the freezer now while we wait for the batch that's in the freeze dryer now to get done. And then tonight, hopefully I can get some beets and carrots harvested. All right. When it gets down to where there's only one or two, I just pop them off. Easy enough. All right. Hope you have a great day.